think I need to buy some fireworks today. All right, so we're doing a little experiment here. I'm Jeff from Baachachik Fireworks. Gonna do a little shopping spree. Figure, what can I get for $1,000 in this store? There's so much to choose from, and so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick some stuff that'll be good for adults, and I'm thinking more along the lines of a family. So we've got some kids, and just try and pick some stuff to keep everybody happy. All right, let's start. First thing, got to get some shells. Excalibur Platinum, $169.95, 24 shot kit, nice kit. All right, then let's work over towards assortments. These are actually a really good value. You get a lot of product in these, and I think I'm gonna pick the King, $172.95. Onward to 500 gram cakes. So there's a good deal going right here. Get 3 500 gram cakes for $2.19. All really nice cakes. We'll take Funky Monkey. Unleash the Power. And Mega Shark. Here's a good deal. Marine Life and Cross the Line. 2 nice 500 gram cakes that shoot in a fan. $157.95 for the pair. Of course, the first one you got to get every time is 1 fish, 2 fish, red fish, blue fish, because it's awesome. Nice fish cake. Lucky Streak. Little guy is awesome. 66 shot zipper cake. It's amazing how much they pack into that. $32.95 for that guy. Got a deal going on the hard liquor cakes. Any 2 of these for 39 bucks. I think I'm gonna go for Jimmy Beam and Absolute. And then there's another good deal on these 2, Just Hangin' and Dirty Duck, $55 for both. Maybe some fountains. Move on to the fountains. Now we are getting some fountains in the assortment, but these are a couple of really nice ones, and we've got them paired up, both for 39 bucks. Popcorn and World's Highest. Throw those in, and of course it's going to be kids, so need them to be able to have a fight, sword fight here. Let's get them swords, 2 for 10 bucks. What a deal. Then let's add some missiles. Warhawk missiles. There's some new firecrackers this season. Pink Elephant. Good firecracker. Full pack of sparklers. 10 bucks for a brick of sparklers. And get a full box of smoke for $11.95. That'll keep them busy for a while. This is a good deal, this little pack of candles, $39.95. You get 24 candles, and we'll add a pack of fistful. Yeah, that's a pretty good candle set. These are great. These are Baachachik label. Silver Wolf, 2 packs for $15.95. These are a real nice set. I like these a lot. Screaming Eagles, 33 bucks. 12 rockets. top it off with, gotta have some snappers for the kids. I'm gonna get a whole box of kid snappers and a whole box of adult snaps. That'll keep everybody happy. Okay, I think that'll do it for me. We did a quick addition on this set. I mean, that's a pretty good collection of fireworks. So we ended up at a little over our budget. We ended up at about $1,300 but what we would do here at Baachachik is go, let's call it an even $1,000. So knock $300 off that, and you can have a real nice 4th of July for $1,000. Everybody from the adults with the big shells, the assortment, stuff for the kids. I think this is exactly what I would take home with me.